Asia PE updates from APER, 27 April 2026. Australia. IFM offers to privatize toll road operator Atlas Arteria. IFM Investors, currently a 34% shareholder of ASX-listed Atlas Arteria Limited, has launched an off-market takeover bid on the company. Its 4.75 Australian dollars per share offer was a 9.7% premium of Atlas's closing price on the trading day prior to the announcement and valued the company at 6.9 billion Australian dollars. The offer price could be further increased to 5.1 Australian dollars per share based on certain conditions. Headquartered in Australia, Atlas is a toll road operator with operations in France, Germany, as well as the United States. IFM has been a shareholder of the company since 2022. China. Boyu, MPCI, and Shunwei innovate via portable e-reader. Boyu Capital, MPCI, and Shunwei Capital were party to the Angel and Series A funding rounds of XTEI Inc. that raised over RMB $100 million in aggregate. Capital X, Crystal Stream Capital, and Xiaohongshu also joined in. XTEI Inc. develops a palm-size reading device, commonly known as e-reader, that uses e-ink technology that can be attached to mobile phones. India. Cadera makes a deposit in Axis Finance Limited. Cadera Capital is to invest 7.5 billion rupees in Axis Finance Limited, a non-bank financial solutions provider. The transaction, through a preferential issuance, marks Axis's first capital raise from an external investor. Concurrently, Axis's parent company, Axis Bank Limited, has injected 15 billion rupees in primary capital, bringing the total capital raised for the company to 22.5 billion rupees. Japan. Basic Capital sells Cake Machine Company. Basic Capital Management Limited is to sell its 84.1% stake in Mazdak Co. Limited for 13 billion yen. This came as Mabuchi Motor Co. Limited agreed to fully take over Mazdak for 15.5 billion yen. Founded in 1957, Mazdak is a food machinery manufacturer that offers integrated production lines, ovens, and steamers for pastry and bread-style confectionaries. Basic first invested in Mazdak in 2021. Pan-Asia. Allianz GI raises US $270 million for Asia Infra Credit Fund. Allianz Global Investors GmbH has raised US $270 million for the initial closing of its Allianz Asia Pacific Infrastructure Credit Fund, with cornerstone commitments from International Finance Corps and Indonesia Investment Authority. With a US $500 million target, the fund will focus on providing senior secured loans to medium-sized infrastructure companies in South and Southeast Asia, operating across energy transition and renewables, power transmission and distribution, digital infrastructure, and others.
Log in to asiape.com for more. Click the subscribe button to receive Asia PE update.